How to view fantasy content on YouTube TV. YouTube TV offers various fantasy sports features through integrations like Fantasy View, especially for sports leagues like the NFL. Follow these steps below based on your device type. Number 1. Viewing fantasy on mobile devices. Step number 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smartphone or tablet. Step number 2. Sign in. Ensure you're signed into your YouTube TV account. Step number 3. Access live sports channels. Go to the Live tab to find sports channels like ESPN, NFL Network, or other relevant channels broadcasting fantasy-related shows. Step number 4. Use the Fantasy View option, if available. If your app supports Fantasy View, a prompt may appear during live games. Select Fantasy View to see live stats and updates related to your fantasy league. Number 2. Viewing fantasy on a web browser. Step number 1. Visit the YouTube TV website. Open tv.youtube.com in your web browser. Step number 2. Sign into your account. Use your YouTube TV credentials to log in. Step number 3. Navigate to Live TV. Click on the Live tab and browse sports channels broadcasting fantasy-related shows or games. Step number 4. Use fantasy integration, if supported. If available, click Fantasy View during a live game to access real-time stats linked to your fantasy league. Number 3. Viewing fantasy on streaming devices. Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV. Step number 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your streaming device. Step number 2. Navigate to Live TV. Use the remote to browse the Live tab. Step number 3. Select a sports channel. Choose sports channels like ESPN, NFL Network, or others airing fantasy-related programming. Step number 4. Enable Fantasy View if available. If your device supports Fantasy View, select the option when prompted during live games.